Welcome to BOBZINO graphic design. First of all, I must say a very big sorry for not keeping you guys updated that much. I have been very busy of recent, and from now on, you guys will be getting videos back to back, almost like 4 times in a week. You get right now I came with a new tutorial on mofe. You know this artist, this actor. Mofe is a very big Nigerian actor. Alright, we'll be starting the tutorial. Please, before then, if you're a new viewer, please kindly subscribe, click the subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up. Please, it helps us a lot. Thank you very much. And do endeavor to watch to the end if you want to understand how I made this possible. And I bet you don't need to skip, because if you skip, you might miss something out. Alright, first thing you do is to import the picture. In my previous video about the fourth video I made, I showed you guys how to import pictures into autodesk. Be like this. So now this is the main picture. First thing you do first is to duplicate it. This is the duplicate. When you duplicate it, you cut out the background. It becomes like this. I'm using the black background, that's why. You can use any color you want. Yeah, it becomes like this. So the next thing you do, because it's white, you don't want to work on the skin mostly. That's the first thing we do first. So you cut out, this layer is the one I cut out. Now this is the skin alone. This is what the skin alone. So now what we're going to do right now is to draw. So this is a new layer which we added. This layer was not here, so add a new layer. You select your black color, select your pencil brush, legacy, put it on 0.2, start with the nose, draw gently. This is where we are. Can you see that? Move to the mount. You can see the outline, I increased it to 0.4 just for the outline. 0.4 just for the outline. Use it 0.3 to get this actual shape. See what we are doing. You can see that there. Trying to get the outline. Use 0.1 for this. Sketch out the glasses. Alright, I'll pause this video here to draw the face because I don't want the video to be so long. I know the drawing will not be so hard for you. I'll be right back. Alright, this way we are. So I managed to sketch this out. So now for this very work, I'll be showing you some shortcuts in art. I'll be showing you some basic shortcuts. That's why I will not sketch everything out. I will sketch the main place which need to be sketched, then some places which will not be relevant. That will be the shortcut. Watch and see. That's why I say do not skip any part in this video. Alright, from the beginning, you know I told you to cut out the skin and also cut out the clothes from the background. This is how it will be. Now if you cut out the clothes, the skin is left like this. Good. So now what I need you to do right now is to a little bit smudge the skin to be smooth. Not too much. Not too much. I repeat, not too much, just a little bit. Use this particular smudge brush on this percent flow 5 and strength 46%, and then just smoothen it a little bit. Not everywhere do, just the places you see that it's not smooth, just touch a little bit. Can you see that? Now I'm moving to the head. Alright. Alright, let's continue. So now you can see I've smudged a little bit. So now for the clothes, no need for you to even touch it. Just do your thing. Clothes is okay like this. So right about now we're going for the bears. You know, initially we are supposed to draw the bears before we start painting. So this very picture here, that's the skin alone. You duplicate this, right? Then you off the down one, you off this one. We are going to cut out the beards away from the skin now. That is one shortcut. Shortcut number 1. You cut out the beards away from the skin. Alright. Cutting out the beards away from the skin. Do it gently. There's some places you will see the main skin. Just cut the one that is purely skin out and leave the one that is slightly skin and beard. Exactly the way I'm doing. Cutting out the beard away from the skin. Make sure it's just the beard alone. Then you choose your hair flow brush. I'm going to slightly clean this place because you will see some little bit of skin. Slightly clean it, slightly. Slightly. Just the edges. Can I see that now? Now it's just as if we have drawn the bears. Can I see that now? And on that too. Just a little bit. Okay, that's super good. Very, very good. So now what we're going to do now is on the main picture. On the main picture, we'll paint here red. Choose red for this. That is to indicate that that is the beard. Okay. We'll duplicate the beard now. We'll lock it. We'll choose the white. Choose your paintbrush, which is this, and then increase this thing. Then you paint it. Now is now like this, right? Now put it on color. That's just it. Then duplicate the down one also. Put it on soft light. Have you seen that? Have you seen that? So now you go back to this main skin layer. We'll duplicate it. We'll lock it, and then you choose your color. Make sure your color palette is just like mine. We choose that, and then we'll paint. Can you see that? Then you tap it, put it on color. Follow my example step by step. And this is where we are. The next thing for you to do is to duplicate this. We'll go to color pick, the first layer there. You choose the VO5 where it's being highlighted now, this very one. Then you paint it all round. Put this on multiply, reduce it very much. I think there is okay. Duplicate this, so put this on multiply, reduce it. Then we'll bring this under here. Can you see that now? Then we'll bring that to under here. Can you see that now? Then we'll also duplicate this. We'll go to color. You come to the fourth place, this orange here. You pick the highlighted YR27, and then you paint. Being painted, supposed to be like this. If you paint it first, are you seeing this? And when you reduce it, it becomes like this. Very much correct. As you can see, this style is a new style, a new shortcut style that I formed recently and decided to share to you guys to ease your work. To do what? Ease your work. So right now we'll be choosing a black color, a slightly, let me see, I say this, I think this will be good. Paint it. Can you see that? Reduce this a little bit, reduce this, good. Yeah, I think that is better. So what to do next now? To come down here. Alright, next to do now is to come down here. You duplicate this layer. That's the main skin layer now. No, the main skin layer now. Come down. I've done this. I've done all this. Now we're back here. Come down here. So now you select this. We have duplicated it. Then you put this on soft light. You see that now? You come back here again, duplicate it, put it on multiply. It becomes like this. Reduce this very much. It becomes like this. Sorry, not that. Let's check this. I think this is good. So now we're not yet done with that bears. We have to dress the bears. So we'll add a new layer here. Choose our pencil brush. Choose a white color. Then we'll sketch the bears out. You can see what I'm doing. Can you see what I'm doing? Use my side of brush to make the bears more realistic. And this is what I'm doing. Take this here. Can you see that? That's exactly what I'm doing. Like this. That's how to draw the hair. Can you see? Like this. It's not like this. It's like this. Curve it. Can you see that? So now we'll choose a black color. Put it on 0.1. right. Can you see that now? Very good. So now we're done for the bears. We'll paint the eyeglass now. We'll go back beneath above this painting. We'll choose a black color. Choose our paintbrush. Then we'll paint the eyeglass. Color what? Color black. You can give it any paint you desire, but for the picture the glasses are black. So we'll paint it black. Now I'll put this on color. Can you see that? Decay this. Put this down on soft light. So that I have no brush. Put on transparent. Carefully on transparent. Yeah. And clean the whitish part. Okay. Add a new layer. Put it on soft blue. And choose white. Can you see I'm lightening it up? Follow that same process. Can you see that? Okay. Add a new layer. Put on color. So let it gold. Alright, we'll end this video, this part 1 here, and we'll continue the skin editing also. We're not yet done with the skin. Continue the skin editing also. Add a new layer. You choose this color, this one. Choose a airflow brush. Now I'm going to be shading the darker side from the brighter side. So I'll end this video here as part 1. Do check out the part 2 from the description link, or go to my playlist. You will see the part 2 there. Do remember to watch it, and please again subscribe, and God bless you.